This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
How do you describe the build process for the Android and iOS app?
So the given a the two user story, the user can actually add a product and delete a product from the app. So the first the UI need to be built, and then the API need to be consumed. Once both are done, and then the software need to be built, and the software need to be tested. The new build need to be tested on the simulated, the software-based simulation that is provided on the Android and the iOS both. Once the testing is complete and the QA team give the signal that actually it built, and it goes to the for the iOS it goes to the TestFlight. For the Android, you can actually upload somewhere and you can download it to install on your phone, or you can actually send to the Android Play Store. It's called the beta user. Android has a lot of the user type. The beta user, internet user, what is called there are many. I can't remember all. So your email address has to be added on those distribution lists. And then once your developer actually add the new build on that distribution list, actually you will receive an email similar to the TestFlight. And then, of course, you click it, you're downloading from the Play Store. Again, it is not the actual production version. It is the test version or the beta version or the pre-release version, whatever the your release team call it. You can download it and you can install it and you can actually start using it for the purpose of the testing.